Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a refreshing summer salad called strawberry, feta, and almond salad. This salad is so delicious and colorful, and it's so easy to put together. Let's get started. Start out with 5 ounces of spring mix. It has a little bit of leaf greens, spinach, and arugula. Then add half a cup of sliced strawberries. Then add half a cup of sliced cherry tomatoes. The tomatoes and the strawberries are not only going to give it a delicious flavor, but it gives it that pop of color, which is so beautiful. Then add a 1/4 cup of thinly sliced onions. Then add 2 ounces of crumbled feta cheese. Then top it off with 1/4 of a cup of unsalted almonds. Now for my dressing, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinaigrette. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Give it a good mix, put the lid on, and shake your container. Then pour your dressing on top of your salad before serving and enjoy. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.